Cal's Convenience is based out of Frisco, Texas. We are the service and C-store side of Sunoco. We're a 24-hour operation. We have fryers. If we can't fry food, we don't sell food. If we lose water in the sink or the hot water's not working, we have to shut the kitchen down. We get about 150 calls to 200 calls a day. Number one would be the credit cards and the registers. And so that's imperative that we respond as quick as we can to those. We can't afford to get shut down. Time's money. The longer they're shut down, the more they're losing in sales. Prior to Service Channel, it would take 24 to 48 hours sometimes before the call would actually go out. With Service Channel, the stores themselves on the operations side can go back in and still do research on a call and say, hey, who was here last? What got done last? Was it our technician? Was it a vendor? Was it expensive? Did they put a part on there? Service Channel for us basically changed our industry. I can pull down by vendor and what they've charged me by the hour per job. And it doesn't take long to see, they were only on an hour. They signed in a certain time, they signed out, and you got $850 charge on there. We went from last year, basically $800 an hour per call to anywhere from $175 to $325 per call. The other thing that Service Channel brings into play is a vendor relationship. It's imperative that they have a great working relationship with the operations folks. Service Channel has made it easier for them to get paid. I love Service Channel for analytics. I can follow my technicians, I can follow my vendors, my financials. I have meetings with my operations team on their financials. I have monthly meetings with upper management, and we go back through the analytics, and Service Channel's been a big part of that. It helps me follow my equipment that's been problematic when I do capital expenditures to pass on to the financial team that makes those decisions. I have a document that shows it may be time to replace this piece of equipment, and it's revenue generating. Reports are easy. Tracking equipment is easier. You can follow your money. You know where your money's being spent. I'm Jim Pearson. I'm the Regional Maintenance Manager for Cal's Convenience Stores.